How I made this shirt using literally just my hands. Starting off, I'm using a solution of water and bleach. I'm using 1 part bleach to 2 parts water. Normally when you bleach, it's 1 part bleach to 5 parts water. But I really want to make this design pop. Once you're done with that, you literally dunk your hand in there and stamp it onto the shirt. You really want to push hard so all that bleach saturates in that one spot. Also, after a while, it stings a little. Just making sure you're aware of that. Then I toss it onto the roof so it can sit in direct sunlight. When the bleach dries in direct sunlight, it brightens up the bleaching a little bit. It's not necessary, but sometimes it works out really nice. Then, using a graphic that I made from a picture of my hand, I screen print over the hands. I've only been screen printing for a couple of months now. To be honest, I'm not amazing at it. I would love to give you advice, but there are way better videos out there, so go find those. I then use a heat gun so it sets in and dries fast. Once again, I don't have an exact science. Don't learn your technique from me. And boom, that's it. That's the shirt. I love this piece. It's one of the coolest things I've ever made. This is actually my 2nd time making it because I sold it already. I just wanted my own. If you enjoy this shirt, I have tons more like it on my website, CentauriClothing.com. Centauri is my clothing brand that I run. It's pretty new, but I really think some of the stuff is pretty sick. It's also super affordable. So go check it out if you're looking for something new. That's all I got for you. Leave a like below to make my heart warm, and I'll catch you later.